Hi, Larry here at RV Solutions here at Chesapeake. We're going to be walking through this Voltage V Series by Dutchmen RV. And I tell you, I got a surprise for you in the garage area. I think you'll like it. So let's go ahead and take a look, see what we got. Hey Frank, thanks for joining me.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, I tell you, this Voltage V Series,
Yeah,
3800 is the model number.
sure.
But one thing I like about them, they got this upgraded kingpin.
Yeah.
This Kurt Rotoflex, and what that does is kind of dampen the road chalk a little bit.
Oh, that's nice.
And that's nice, but you know, everybody nowadays, they have these trucks with all kinds of cameras and all that.
Oh, yeah.
Well, if you got an old school truck that doesn't have the cameras, this mirror basically is going to do the same thing, so you can see when you're hitching up to your,
that's
to your
neat.
receiver.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the best thing since sliced butter.
Yeah.
If you don't have a camera.
Right. Which is rare, but that's still cool.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Dutchmen RV.
Yep.
3-year structural warranty, 1-year comprehensive. But I like the way that front cap looks, don't you?
Yeah, that's cool. Ain't
It's got the molded front cap.
Yeah.
Gives you more strength. Plus the LED lights. You know you got to look cool at the campground.
Yeah, man.
You do have a solar panel on the roof. I think it's 200 watt.
Okay.
You can do a briefcase solar panel as well. Oh, this is a toy hauler, right?
Right.
There's a 5,500 watt generator in there, Onan Cummins.
Oh, man.
Cummins Owen, I don't know what you want to call it. But
Sure.
anyway, it's a generator.
Yeah, man. I love those.
And 30-pound tanks of propane, not 20. 30 pounds. You get 2 of them, one on this side, one on the other.
Okay.
But also self-leveling, which makes it totally easy. Get out the truck, hit a button, and stand back. Like I said, you got your 12 volt, or your 30 amp solar controller.
Oh, man. Nice big capacitor.
Nice big. You got your self-leveling on that side. Aluminum frame construction.
Very nice.
You got switches all over the place in here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, solid step here.
Yep.
For going in the main entrance. But in the back, if you notice, you got the old fold up underneath.
Yeah.
On-demand water heater.
Oh, yeah. We love those.
What do we always say? Set it and forget it.
That's it, man.
Set your hot temperature. Don't even mess with your cold water anymore.
Yep.
Just turn it on and boom, you're taking your shower.
That is correct.
Yes. Nice. I mean, this is a pretty big awning.
Oh, yeah.
This is a pretty big fifth wheel.
Yeah.
But all the way, that's the whole awning. Speakers on the outside. You set a TV out here. If we haven't mentioned it, floor plan is the 3800. I think they have 3 of these, right?
They do in the V series,
This
Larry.
is the medium size.
Yes.
And we're at about 43-ish foot.
Yep.
Yeah. So here's your garage area. Door entering right in. But this door is actually, we've had the spring assist doors. This is like 0 gravity. So, I mean, it's nothing to close that door up. You do have prep for a camera. 2 LED lights on the side for when you're loading up at night. And you know, you dry it all day. You ain't gonna load up till night.
Oh, absolutely, man. Come on.
You're going this weekend, aren't you? Or next
the
weekend?
following weekend, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be going for a while.
Sorry, the bushes are too close. We don't want to bring the door down.
Right. Yep.
But another thing, you got your toys in the back.
Yeah.
You got a fueling station on the side.
Oh, come on, man.
With a pump.
Oh, geez.
Now, this is going to feed your generator.
Right.
But hey, you got some
Oh, man, that's perfect for them days, man.
Yes.
That's the extended stay right there, man.
And I think it's 30 gallon.
You get out in them woods, man, there's no gas stations. You got your own.
All you have to do is prime up the pump and you're ready to go.
Yeah, that's an awesome feature, man.
Yes. You got your, of course, this is Dutchmen RV.
Yeah.
I think they do slide toppers on every other, or every one.
They give you a lot of bang for your buck, man.
It really
Seriously.
is. you don't know, that is good for keeping stuff off of the top,
Right.
but it also keeps the sun from baking on your slide.
Yeah.
And that's what I really like, is that it keeps it a little bit cooler. Hey, Frank.
Hey, buddy.
You already saw the surprise in this one.
Oh, I know.
I tell you.
But show everybody else.
If you could imagine.
Yeah.
Frank out there next weekend.
Right.
Putting this side-by four-wheeler in here. And he's got his motorcycle, everything else. He ain't got enough room in here.
Uh-huh.
Guess what?
What you got going on, buddy?
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
You got a half bath in here.
Which is nice,
I want to turn that light on.
Yeah.
But a half bath.
Oh, yeah, nice.
But it takes up space.
It does, yep.
So.
Number one complaint I always got.
Yes. Pop that down.
Oh, there's the room. Yep.
So this is a little surprise that I'm talking about. Because
that was fast, Larry, and easy.
Oh, pop the lock and magnets all together.
Look at that washer and dryer hookup too, in the right spot in the toy hauler.
And instead of the loft going into the living space, it's in the garage area.
Oh yeah. Oh, and also I see that. That's a big plus.
Yes.
You know what that is? Yeah, that's cool, Larry.
So
yeah, very nice.
Now we have it set up with the couch on the side, so you get more stuff in here. But you can set it up like this.
Yep. You
can flop them both down. Shoot, that's got to be bigger than a king size bed.
Yeah, when they're both down.
Plus this one, it's nice. I mean, the Happy Jack electric one is nice.
Yep.
But push this one up. Hopefully I can do it. I'm a little short, but anyway, you got the idea.
Yeah.
But it's got the struts on the side. What's easier than that?
Yeah.
And something electric, it's bound to break.
Well, I know in one of my toy arts, Larry, and you had in yours, I think, those things start shaking, coming down, man.
Scares you.
Yeah. That's nice having it like that. It's actually
what I also like in here, instead of a screen going down, you actually have a 3-season door.
Oh, man. That's beautiful.
This is nice. On a day like today when it's not raining, have your deck open. I tell you, it does have the ramp. It does have the deck with the railing going around.
Oh, that's nice.
But the 3-season door, that is cool.
Yeah, that's year-round right there, buddy.
Also, most of them have the steps that go off at the back of the ramp.
Right.
These actually are nice because they have a railing for them as well.
Yeah.
But it comes off your can side.
Yep, that makes it
very nice.
Yeah, because the deck goes out so far, and then add steps on that. Most time you're backed into the woods, so you can't get off your deck.
Oh, yeah. Oh, by the way, for those Harley drivers, you know how particular they are.
Right.
You got to set up for a camera right in your garage.
Man. Look at that, buddy. Watch the toys while you're going down the road.
Keep an eye on them.
Yeah, man. Come on.
Oh, I forgot to say something. Look at this door
I was just looking at that, Larry.
I mean, this is cool.
No, I like that, man.
Yeah.
You're talking about totally blocking off the kids, your toys, whatever, man.
But you can still pay attention to what's going on out there.
No, I know.
Yeah.
And like I tell a lot of people, and you do too, Larry, it's just not for toys. No. We have a lot of families that buy this for bigger families of full-time in.
Yes.
Because that's a totally separate room for them.
Where
they can put the kids. They love it. They got their own entry door. They got their own patio.
Right.
And that patio is great for your furry friends too, man, with that gate around it.
By the way, I forgot to mention this also.
Yeah.
There's a AC in the garage.
Yeah.
There's an AC here. And there's one in the bedroom.
Oh, so we got 3.
3 ACs in this thing.
Yeah, I remember ordering it with the 3, right? Because I'll tell you what, man, it gets hot.
The Omni-Chill 3rd AC, but I mean, wow.
This one's actually not missing anything. I don't think you can put on one, really.
It's even these recliners.
Yeah.
This is the 2N ones. They're totally automatic. Press the button and they go.
Yeah.
The one in the middle, of course, has that pull.
Yeah, the ripcord on it.
Everybody's scared of that ripcord.
Yeah, I know.
So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is nice.
And also, size of that window.
Yeah.
Open that window. Open this window over here. Get a nice breeze in here.
Oh, yeah, man.
And pantry area.
Yeah, we like our pantries. Our customers do too. Now, I think this pantry, if I'm not... Yep.
Oh, you can move the shelves too.
So you can move the shelves in that way. So these right here, you can adjust them.
Oh, wow.
Height. Yep.
Plus.
Oh, nice full-size fridge there, buddy.
You know what? I got to put my head in there.
I should have put my Red Bull in there.
Ooh. A little hot here today.
Yeah, it's a little steamy, man. Not as hot as it's been, but man,
No.
and the rain stopped. Thank goodness. So
But
we
I
can do some
also
videos.
like how you got your living area here.
Yeah, I know
Look
exactly what you're talking about, Larry.
Hard,
Yeah.
hard countertop,
Yep.
farm sink. You got your tower of power.
Yeah.
You want to charge up your cell phone, break
Oh,
it down
yeah.
like that, put your cell phone down.
Yeah. Got another one over there. You know, but that kitchen, Larry, with you right there, man, look at that counter space. Your working area is so nice, man.
I mean, come over here. You got a place for a trash can. All kinds of room in here.
Oh, yeah. See,
That's
normally they're
actually-
not open like that. Normally they got all the plumbing in the way.
Right.
And right.
I think that's a little bit larger oven, too.
Yeah, it is. Man, I like all that.
And counter space galore.
I mean, yeah.
Cabinets go galore. Oh,
Most
they got your radio.
Oh, where's my radio? Oh, yeah. Gotta have that sucker, man.
And start your generator from right here.
I'll tell you what, man. People don't understand how nice that is. When the electric goes out, dude, you literally hit a button and you're out here like you're hooked up to electric.
There you go.
I mean, it's that easy. It really is, man. And I mean, literally, man, all your control panels are right there, easy access.
And this is a solo, so you can do it all off your phone anyway.
Oh, yeah,
I
high-tech
don't know
world
about
we're in.
the generator, but you can do all the other stuff on your phone.
Yeah, man. Got the fireplace down there.
You got a pantry there. You got another one here.
Jeez, man. Right.
What?
So, again, like a lot of my customers do, they'll make either a pantry, a closet, or whatever. It's so universal when you have two of them.
I guess that's why you move those shelves.
Yeah, correct. Yep. So you
Okay.
can put hanging clothes in there, whatever, man.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
And, by the way, one thing I didn't tell you. We got the actual blackout blinds here.
Nice.
Very nice. Plus, you know how much we like the kitchen windows.
Oh, yeah. I'm a big fan of that, Larry.
And again, it's on your campsite.
You know what I like, Larry? This right here. So this is something you don't see much. So we always have customers saying, Frank, Larry, I want a booth. No, Larry, I want a standing chair.
Exactly.
I mean, you can't get both worlds, but guess what? This one you do because it comes with two chairs.
Oh, I don't think there's chairs in this one.
Under the bed, isn't there?
That's what I thought when it came in.
Okay, well, if there ain't,
But
we'll find some
You
daggone
can
chairs.
do some stools.
Right, either or, man.
Yes.
What I'm getting at is you got both worlds in this. That was a very smart idea. And if you don't want it there, it just pops up out of the way.
Exactly.
So, I mean, there's more room in here. So that's a cool feature, you know?
All right, so second AC in here.
Yeah, look at that big speaker too, man.
Oh, wow.
Jeez.
It's Kenwood.
Oh, it's
That's
Kenwood.
old school.
Oh, man, come on. We know that's going to work good. Shoot.
Plus, you got an upgraded fan here
Oh, with the rain sensor
with
on
the
it.
wall control as well.
Man, we got two Kenwood speakers. Oh, we're jamming out later. Come on.
That is old school, though.
Yeah, man.
All right, let's go up here, Frank.
All right, man. Let's check it out. Got a nice grab handle. I like that, man.
I tell you what, I'm going to let you do up here.
Yeah.
And the nice thing in this bathroom, it's more of a residential shower.
Sure.
And for those people that are tall, the skylights are right where you need it.
Oh, that's perfect, man.
And it is a porcelain toilet. And hey, what are you going to do in here?
Yeah.
Got a bathroom.
I know what I'll be
Take a
doing.
shower.
Washing that mud off me, buddy.
No,
After
that's
a day
in
of
the
ride.
back.
Well, that too. I forgot about that. See? I forgot about that room.
So I'm going to let you go in there and see what that's all about.
Let's check it out, man. Oh, man, look at a nice counter. You're right, Larry. Nice residential shower. I like the black accent. Nice shower head.
Oh, here's another table, too.
Yeah, that's very nice. Oh, it's got another table in the bedroom?
I guess for the garage area in between the couches.
Perfect. Very nice. Let's see what we got in the master here.
And
What you got, Larry?
do you see the amount of space I got over here?
See, right. That's another thing.
This is unheard of.
Walk around in a master.
Ooh.
But
But
I tell you-
battery's going down, but
Look at that third
Look at-
AC. There it is.
now I'm not the tallest individual in the world.
Yeah.
But to be this close to the front and still have room.
I'm with you. Yeah.
And look at this walk-in
No,
space.
I'm with you. I mean, I'm right here
Usually
in the
it's half
bedroom.
that.
Yeah. I mean, oh, that's nice too.
Nice dresser area.
Yeah. Side out dresser.
I'm sure it's hers.
Yeah.
Yours is down here.
Absolutely, buddy. You
Okay.
know that. Mine. All I need is the garage, buddy. I'm
Right.
good.
And overhead cabinets.
Yeah.
got the nice AC ducts.
Right.
That just spread it out everywhere.
Correct.
But to have 3 ACs in this thing.
Yeah, what I like about the ducts, Larry, if you don't want to run this one, you're still going to get some air back here from the main AC.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's a nice one.
Now, I'm going to check for the chairs. I don't think so.
All right.
No, but
well, it's stools.
Yeah. You could get a bar stool at Ollie's or something like that.
They can go anywhere. Big Lots anywhere, man. Yeah. Value City. Hook them up. And I like this too, Larry, on both sides of the bed for those people.
USB.
CPAP machines.
Oh.
You know, charging your cell phones, working the bed, laptop, remote workers want to chill in the bed, watch TV and work at the same time.
And I noticed that's why the table's in here, because when it's going down the road, it gets strapped down here.
Right.
But it's actually for the garage area.
Sure. Yeah.
And it's a nice unit. Let's go check out the specs on it.
Yeah, man. Come on, what we got here, Larry?
All right. Oh, I was right. 43 foot.
43, a big one.
43 foot. And the same for every 3/4 ton truck.
Yep.
13.3.
Okay. But for the size of this, that's not bad at all, Larry.
16.8 gross weight.
Okay.
And I tell you, third AC, all of that.
Yep.
But look at the price, though.
What we got it on?
$123,000 for MSRP.
Yep.
We're at $79,900.
Wow.
I mean,
I tell you what, man.
And I don't know about you, I'm making payments on mine.
Yeah, me too.
This is probably double my payment, but still, $600. That's not bad for a $4 this size.
Come on. For a home.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, come on, a furnished home. Let's go.
So this is a 2024 Dutchmen Voltage Series B Series, 3800.
Yep.
3 slides. 1, 2. Where's the other one? I don't see but 2.
I've been doing this thing.
Oops. 2. And wow, this is a great little unit.
And I also see, Larry, this is the 3/4 plans you got right here too.
Oh yeah. So the 3500.
I think we're in the biggest one.
It is the biggest one.
Yeah.
Okay. 3500, 3600, 3800.
Correct. And basically, what changes there is one of them. This basically your garage a little bit. It's going to be different, and then 2 slide outs on one of them in the main living area.
Oh, okay. I see that. Yep. So I tell you, if you ever want to look at a toy hauler, now's the time to do it. We're here over the weekend, and it's me and Frank. And again, if you like this video, like it, share it on Facebook, YouTube. Come down and see us down at RV Solutions down in Chesapeake, Virginia. Thank you.
Hey, Larry, I appreciate it too. And one more note. I will accept any reasonable offer on this RV. I am ready to do some dealing, man. So don't be scared. Even better, Larry. So bring me some offers. Let's see what we can do.
There we go.
All right, man. Y'all have a good one. See ya.